Hey, Sprouts! Today we're counting baseball objects. Let's count and see how many there are. How many foam fingers do you see? There is one foam finger. How many batting helmets do you see? There are 6 batting helmets. How many baseball fields do you see? There are 3 baseball fields. How many baseballs do you see? There are 10 baseballs. How many catcher's helmets do you see? There are 4 catcher's helmets. How many baseball gloves do you see? There are 7 baseball gloves. How many baseball caps do you see? There are 2 baseball caps. How many trophies do you see? There are 5 trophies. How many baseball bats do you see? There are 8 baseball bats. How many baseball jerseys do you see? There are 9 baseball jerseys. Good job, Sprouts. See you next time.